guys, it's Cosette and I'm back with another Amazon favorites video. If you know me or follow me on TikTok, you might be aware of my deep Amazon obsession. I spend so much money just buying random things on Amazon that look fun, so I figured this is a perfect series. Since the last video, I ordered a ton of random products off Amazon and I actually have not opened any of them yet. I think this is gonna be a lot of fun because I'll actually be opening them and trying them for the first time ever on camera, and I'm really excited. I got some weird products, some of which I saw on TikTok, some of which I just randomly came across, and I'm gonna show you guys them. Before I get into the video, if you came from TikTok, comment TikTok squad in the comments. Okay, we're gonna start because I'm just way too excited. The first product I got is this facial steamer. This one I did see on TikTok. Everybody was raving about it, and so I needed to try it, of course. So we're just gonna open it up. Ooh, it comes with a charger. It's not coming out. It's stuck. It's not coming out. They really don't want me to have this facial steamer. Ooh, whoa. Either it was already turned on or it just has this natural blue glow. No, it's definitely on. Where do you insert the water? So the directions are actually all in Chinese, so I have to figure this out myself. Okay, I just took this off and then I assume that I just pour water in here. Okay, I'm really shaky and I just filled it up a lot. So I'm just gonna put this top back on and twist it on. Whoa, that scared me! Oh my goodness, this is so cool. It also has a mirror on the very top so you can, like, you know, check your makeup. This is so compact and it lights up blue. It scares me every time. Wow. I'm so excited by this. This is so cool. It feels nice. I guess I could use this right before doing skincare or facials. I don't know, I hear that steaming is good for your skin. Or just on a hot day, you know, it's too hot, I need some facial steam. I'm obsessed with that. The next product I also saw from TikTok and I just needed to get it. I really haven't even seen what these look like in person yet. I drink coffee every single day, and if you guys know, when you go to the cute little cafes, they have little designs on their coffee and cute little stencils, and so there was this big trend going around on TikTok where people would try to do that with a piece of paper and it was just a fail. So of course, I had to actually get stencils. I know that with stencils, it's a little bit difficult to actually get the cinnamon or whatever you're putting on nicely on top. So I got these shakers. They all came in a set and it's supposed to make it come out nicer, like a little sifter. I don't really know. Comes off like that. What was that? I don't even know what was in there, but it kind of jumped. What the heck is that? I don't know what that was. There are a lot of stencils here and they're really cute. Aww. We have a little smiley face. I love you. Little sun, coffee beans. I'm really excited and I hope that this works. I think we should test it out with this heart because we don't want to shoot too high here. If it doesn't work out, it'll still look like a blob. I don't know. I know that you usually put this on cups of coffee, but for the purpose of today, I'm just gonna use milk and hopefully it works the same and it doesn't just sink to the bottom. I'll froth the milk. I feel like I've seen before that if you just mix the milk really fast, it froths up and it makes it a little bit foamy. I don't know, we'll try it. Oh, it kind of worked. Okay, we're gonna leave the milk like that. It's kind of frothy. Hopefully it takes it. I'm just gonna pour the ground cinnamon in this little device. Just gonna put it all in there. Oh. I feel like I'm doing the cinnamon challenge. Okay, so I'm just putting the heart stencil right over it and shaking the cinnamon on top. It's kind of making a mess. I think that worked. I'm shaky, so I really hope this doesn't mess it up. Whoa, it worked! So that was a success. This is so adorable. I can't wait to serve people coffee here and just like make cute little images in their cup. So these stencils definitely have my approval. It worked out perfectly. I'm really impressed. Now I just have oat milk with a cinnamon heart on top. Okay, so the next product I have is this cute little panda piggy bank. I've seen these in stores before, but I've never actually had one, and I've never seen the panda one. I've only seen the cat one, so I'm really excited for this. I haven't actually opened it yet, so this is the moment of truth. So tiny. Oh, it needs batteries. Let's put some batteries in here. I guess the piggy bank opens up. What is that? It's kind of dirty. I don't know what that is. Hello! Oh my god! He makes little sounds. So I came prepared. I have a few quarters here, and I think I just put it on top. That's so adorable. I wonder how much this can actually hold. Let's just do it a few more times. I need to name him. He's so adorable. So I don't know where in the container all the coins go and how much it can fit, but I guess we would just have to test it out. I like how he pops out and he says like, hello before he takes your little quarter. So cute. Okay, this was definitely one of the cutest purchases I've gotten. I love it. This is the last product I have to open today. I just thought these were really cute, so let's see how they look in person. Aww, they're so cute. I love candles and I love succulents. So you know that when I saw these succulent candles, I had to get them. So there's 2 of each little type of succulent or cactus. And they also look like they're in little dirt. So cute. Okay, I'm gonna take them all out. I feel like these are really cute decorations and I love having candles lit, so they're amazing. Also, these would be really cute on top of a little birthday cake for someone who likes succulents. They're little tea candles. So I'm gonna light them up using the little electric lighter from the last video. Yay. I'm just letting 2 for now so I can save the rest, but I think these are so adorable. I wonder what they're gonna look like as they melt out and the cactuses get like smaller and smaller. They're already kind of melting pretty fast. I don't know how long these are supposed to last, but they're really cute. Ta-da! Those were all the products I have for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and of course, subscribe. All the products are gonna be linked in the description down below if you wanna check them out for yourself. Make sure to follow my TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!